Hi, Eric Gibaud, Gibaud.com, and today I'm going to present you a thumb rest for my Fujifilm X100V. It exists also for other Fujifilm cameras, and this is made by Lensmate. I'm really surprised, really happy with it. I'm going to tell you more about that. Let's start. The big problem with cameras like this one is that there's not much grip and you're not always very stable, okay? If you look at the Fujifilm X-E4, it's even worse because they have no grip anymore. They took out the grip, okay? So there are some accessories to get stability, and they're called thumb rest. You actually put your thumb there and you hold it better. How was my adventure with thumb rest? Well, First, I didn't really believe in this thumb rest. It was really useful. I was not convinced, okay? But so many people were telling, oh, get a thumb rest, it's really useful, it's really great. So I started to check on AliExpress, Amazon, and YouTube, have reviews. And most people were complaining that thumb rest, when you place it on the X100V, you cannot really access easily this wheel here. And maybe sometimes even this one. It's not really practical. So I saw that several reviewers were speaking about a different one that was a folding thumb rest by Lensmate. So I thought, well, let's check the website. So I found it and I contacted them. I said, oh, by the way, if you send me your thumb rest, I'll make a review in 3 languages on my YouTube channel, so would be great. And they say, yeah, no problem, what color do you want? I said, well, black, okay, please, black, okay. So don't forget to tell our name, okay, yeah, no problem, I'm telling your name, okay, no problem. So I'm going to show you this fantastic thumb rest because I think it's really a great piece of gear, honestly. So it comes in a magnetic box, really nice. It's protected here. And the first thing I checked when I received it was if you had this. See the plastic here, like it's like some rubber, no plastic, it's rubber. Because many people don't know that, but when you take out this protection to place anything in your hot shoe here, then your camera is not as sealed, okay? So if you place a piece of metal without any rubber protection, you have the risk to have, if it's really raining, to have a problem here. So they have this. Second, I thought, yeah, but this is metal, okay? So this is going to touch this. Maybe it would scratch it. Well, I thought about it. There's also some rubber here, so it really sits without scratching the metal. And then when it's metal, you may think your thumb could slide out, okay? Well, they've put a piece of rubber also here, so no problem. So you place it here, okay, and as you can see, if I want to turn the wheel here, easy, up, I lift it, I turn the wheel as I want, no problem. Easy, fast access. So I think this is really a brilliant piece of gear. I think it's really great. Now, what's about the result? Well, honestly, this is fantastic. I had to swallow my word because I thought it was a bit like stupid to have thumb rests on cameras, and then maybe because other cameras are easier to hold, okay? But the commodity, the stability is incredible. I'm sure with this you hold it so much better, yeah, and you probably gain 1 stop when you drop speed without getting your camera shake, okay, with the motion blur, okay? So really, honestly, this is fantastic. The feeling, the way it feels, the way it looks, it's black, but it matches the black of the camera. The review I saw, it was silver. The guy said it was matching. I do believe it because black does match, okay? So it is really nice, easy to place, easy to use, okay? So the one thing we could tell negative about thumb rest, not this one, any thumb rest, it occupies the hot shoe. It means if I want to place a flash unit or trigger, I cannot. I have to remove it and place my trigger here. But I think that kind of camera, this is not the kind of camera you're using flash all the time, so maybe I will sometime, then I'll take the thumb rest out and put it in my pocket. Maybe they could invent a thumb rest with pass-through connectors to the flash, but it would make it not as nice, a bit more bulky. So I think when I need a flash, I'll remove it and place it, and that's it, okay? One tip, very often people who place accessories like this, like Thumbrest or things like this, they remove the small plate, protection plate, and they lose it. So if you're sure you're going to use your Lensmate Thumbrest most of the time, put this back in your original Fujifilm box, I mean your camera box, okay? You keep it there. The same I keep my strap, original strap, because this is a strap by Claudia Reyes. I presented in another video this strap, okay? But so place it so you don't lose it, okay? I'm going to place it there because I tell you, this Thumbrest is staying on my camera. I'm really impressed. The quality, so the model is LM X100V, Lensmate X100V. They have several kinds. They have for all the 100 series, X100 series. They have for some XT cameras. They have for some X Pro cameras. So depend on the camera you have. But honestly, if you have your Fujifilm and you do hold the camera like this, I think it's great. Some people don't use any strap, so it's even more risky if you don't have any way to hold the camera better than the original what they give you, which is in some camera no grip, nothing. So, and I think for people who do video like this, the stability is a lot better, okay? And I see many people with that kind of camera, they do point of view videos. It means they do a YouTube video where they actually record this screen with another camera. So they walk like this. The stability when you using a screen is not the same as if you're using your viewfinder, okay? So with this, you really gain a lot of stability. It's really impressive, honestly. I think it's really recommendable. So if you use Fujifilm, don't even think about it. Get one of this. It's really practical. And in this case, this is foldable. There are others I don't think they're foldable because they don't need to access the wheel the same way, okay? But I think this is brilliant. So thank you very much, Lensmate, for sending me this Thumbrest. I'll leave a link of where you can buy it if you're interested in it. Well, I don't speak to Lensmate, at least I speak to you, because Lensmate, they know where to buy it, okay? So I tell you, if you're interested, I'll leave a link in description of this video where you can get it. So I hope you like the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, the small button down here, and also a small bell. If you click on the bell, get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. I'll leave you links of my gear on Amazon, links to all the products I've reviewed by K&F Concept and Sandmark, and a link to my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye!